Hi, in this question, I'm going to solve practice question for simultaneous linear equation. So this we got isosceles triangle. So this is 90 degree. So if this is 90 degree, total of a triangle is 180. We minus by right angle, so equal to 90. So both of them need to be 90. We can divide by 2. So each gonna be 45 degree. So let us work on it. So 3x equal to 45 degrees. So we can divide by 3 both of sides. So x equal to 15 degree. Next, we got x plus y equal to 45 degree. X is 15, so 15 degree plus y equal to 45 degree. We can minus by 15 degree both of sides. So y equal to 30 degree. Let's proceed. Okay, let's make it here equal. So 2x plus 7 equal to 9 plus 3y. Okay, we minus 3y both of sides. So we get it 2x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 9. We minus 7 both of sides. So 2x minus 3y equal to 2. Okay, first equation we got. Let's find the second equation. 1 over 2x equal to 5 minus 3 over 2y. Okay, get rid of a fraction. Both of sides we multiply it by 2. So it's gonna be x equal to 10 minus 3y. Okay, we plus by 3y both of sides. So it's gonna be x plus 3y equal to 10. Okay, we got two equations. Let us find their simultaneous equation. So we got here 2x minus 3y equal to, and x plus 3y equal to 10. Okay, we just plus. So 2x is gonna be 3x equal to 2 plus 2 is 12. Okay, we divide by 3 both of sides. So x equal to 4. Then we just substitute into this equation. So x equal to 4. So 4 plus 3y equal to 10. We minus 4 both of sides. So 3y equal to 6. Divided by 3 both of sides. So y equal to 2. Okay, we got it. X equal to 4. Y equal to. Okay, all sides are equal. So let us first make it 2x plus 4 equal to 5x minus 2y. Okay, we can minus it to x here, both of sides. So 4 equal to 3x minus 2y. Okay, we got first equation. Next, let's try 2x plus 4 equal to 9 minus y. Okay, plus y both of sides. It's gonna be 2x plus y plus 4 equal to 9. Okay, we minus 4 both of sides. So it's gonna be 2x plus y equal to 5. Okay, the second equation. Okay, let me write here. So we got 3x minus 2y equal to 4. And then 2x plus y equal to 5. Okay, we can times 1, this times 2. So it's gonna be 3x minus 2y equal to 4. While this gonna be double it, 4x plus 2y equal to 10. Okay, we got 7x equal to 14. We divide by 7 both of sides, so x equal to 2. We substitute into this equation, so 2 times 2 plus y equal to 5. So 4 plus y equal to 5. We minus 4 both of sides, so y equal to 1. Okay, we got it. Y equal to 1 and x equal to 6. Two number x and y. So x and y have a sum of 120. When y subtracted from 3x, okay, when subtracted from 3x, the difference is 160. Okay, we need to find the value. Okay, this is from 3x. Okay, we can eliminate y by addition. So it's gonna be 4x equal to 280. So we can divide it by 4 both of sides. So x equal to 70. Let us find y. Here, by substitute 3x minus, okay, let's make it the first. So x plus y equal to 120. So x plus 70 equal to 120. We minus 70 both of sides. So x equal to y equal to y equal to 50. Okay, we got these two answers. Y equal to 50 and x 70. Number 7. Three packs of markers and 2 notebooks have a combined, okay, 3. Okay, marker, let's make it as x, notebook as y. So 3x plus 2y equal to 610. 5 pack of marker 5x plus 4 notebook y have combined of 1070. Okay, can find the simultaneous. Here we can double it, here just keep it. So the new equation is going to be 6x plus by 4y equal to, we have 610. We double it, it's going to be 1220. Here is 5x plus 4y equal to 1070. And you can minus it. So it's going to be x equal to 1220 minus by 1070. So this is 150. Next, find the y. Okay, we can substitute. So 3 times x is 150 plus 2y equal to 610. So 150 we multiply it by 3, it's gonna be 450 plus 2y equal to 610. We minus by 450 both of sides. So 2y equal to 610. We minus by 450 equal to 160. We divide by 2 both of sides. So y equal to 80. Okay, y equal to 80. So marker is x and then notebook is y. So we can write pack of marker is 150 gram. Notebook is 80 gram. Yeah, grams. Next, a shop shelf, desk and chair. Okay, the price of a desk is 120. The price of a chair is 50. One day the shop sold total of 15 desks and chair for a total amount of 960. Express this the information as two equations. Let D equal to desk and C equal to the chair. Okay, so here the price of a desk. So D one day, okay, one day the shop total of 15 chair and desk. So chair and desk equal to 15 for total amount of 960. So chair is 50 per chair and the desk is 120. So 120 desk equal to Where this? Here 960. This 960. Okay, we got the equation for A. B. Okay, let us proceed. So here we can multiply it by 50. Here we can keep it as 1. So we can make it here 50C plus 120D equal to 960. So it's gonna be 50C plus 50D, and let us make it 15. We multiply it by 50. So it's gonna be 750. Okay, we can eliminate the chair. So this is gonna be 70D, and then 960 minus by 750 is 200. Then we can divide by 70 both of sides. So desk here equal to 3. How about the chair? Okay, we can substitute. So chair plus desk equal to 15. Chair plus 3 equal to 15. So we minus by 3 both of sides. So chair equal to 15 minus 3 is 12. So we solved 3 desks and 12 chairs. Okay, 9. A large yoga studio offer a number different classes. They charge 8 for a class, and they pay for the instruction 15 each for teaching. During one session, there are 23 people either taking a class or teaching a class, and the studio makes a profit of 92 after the instruction have been paid. How many people took a class during this session? Okay, so the equation, let us make it, the charge is X, and then pay instruction is Y. So X plus Y, the people, so it's gonna be 23. And then in the taking class, the studio makes a profit of 92. So it's profit of 92 after the instruction have been paid. So after the instruction have been paid, so we can make it people, okay, teaching took a class. So 8x we minus by 15y. Y is instruction. Here we can times by 1, keep it, times by 8. So 8x minus 15y equal to 92. Here also 8x minus 8y equal to, we make it 23 times by 8 is 184. Then we minus it, so it's disappeared. So minus 15 minus 15, we minus again by minus 8. So it's gonna be minus 7y equal to 92 minus by 184. It's gonna be minus 92. So minus 92 we divide by minus 7. Yeah, it is 90. Let's take a look. 8, so 15 minus 8, 7, so 184 minus 92. (23) times 8. Okay, 184. We minus by 92. Okay. Let's take a look carefully. Here is not minus, is plus. Then when we minus, yeah, it's correct, it's 92. Here 15, we got 15 minus by 8. So it's gonna be minus 23y is minus so minus 92 we divide by minus 23. So y equal to 4. Okay, so the people who join for the instruction class is 4. So let us find how many how many people took a class during this session. So we got x plus y equal to 23. Y is 4, so x plus 4 equal to 23. We minus by 4 both of sides, so x equal to 17. Yes, not 17, 19. So the people took a class is 19 people. There it is. Thank you.